YouTube, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing an updated room tour. My last room tour is when I first got to my deployment location, so now that I'm settled in, I'll just give y'all a quick glimpse of how I'm living over here right now. I got my shoes and my boots over here in this corner. This is like my little storage corner. I got my rucksack packed up already, just random stuff that I don't really need. I got a little trash bag right there. They don't have trash cans around here, so I just gotta keep that there. Also, a new addition to my room is this Brutus. It's pretty cool. I like looking at it every now and then when I'm in my room. And then right here is my little Durag bag where I keep all my rags, since y'all know I'm heavy into waving. And I got a little bear. The USO was given out not too long ago. So yeah, I got that. That's pretty cool. And I got my headphones right there. I rigged all my power cables up right there because when they were on the floor, they just kept falling out and whatnot. Yes, it might be dangerous having that there, but it is what it is. I'm out here deployed. That's dangerous enough. And I got my Apple Watch right there. Right behind me right here is where I take my pictures of my hair. As y'all can see, I got waves. So yeah, this is my little like studio area, I guess you can say, or my editing area whenever I'm editing videos. Yeah, so whenever I'm editing videos, I usually sit right here, and then I hook my TV up to I hook my computer up to my TV. Highly recommended out here, Internet Puck, even though the internet's trash. What can you do about it? And I got my hard drive for like all my old videos and everything that I do save. Right over here, I got my little kettle that I use to heat up my tea, whenever I drink tea. I usually drink tea right before I go to sleep. But yeah. And then up there I got my ramen noodles and my snacks, just for whenever I don't go to the DFAC. And once again, my flag, my Ohio State flag, big Ohio State fan, so. And I use that as my backdrop for like all my videos. So I'm waiting for my green screen to come in. And right here is my self-cut system. Since I'm out here, I might as well learn how to do something. So I'm learning how to cut my own hair. And now for the closet. One thing I do regret is I brought too much like uniforms and clothes and stuff. So that's why my rucksack is full right now. So I just repacked all that, and I just put like 6 shirts and 2 uniforms just to last me for like the week, and then my little PT uniforms. And if y'all ever wonder why I usually wear this hoodie, or if I wear my red hoodie, that's the only clothes I have that's not like uniform. So, I mean, I'm not gonna wear a uniform all day. That's dead. And then I got more hygiene products up here. The tea that I drink. Some of my awards and coins. I got this from a 2-star. I got this from the Brigade Commander. I got this from my old G6 Sergeant Major. And I got this one from my company First Sergeant. And I got this one from, I don't know. I got a bunch of coins though. It's pretty dope. And then I got some pictures of the family and these meditation balls I got when I was stationed at Fort Drum. And then since y'all know I'm into my hair, I got my little brush collection. You can't really see this one right here, but yeah, I got a couple brushes. I got my brush collections and like all my hair products that I use for my hair. This is just like my PT shorts. I don't know why that's there, but my PT shorts, socks, and everything else that I wear. And this is just like my extra stuff, like laundry detergent, extra soap is in the back, and just random things. And on this shelf is my towels. And the bottom shelf, I don't know, trash bags and random stuff. And right in here is my workout bands, a mirror, and a little stool. Yeah, and it's my ring light box. You look out the window, it's just a wall. But yeah, just a couple small changes that I made around my room, just to make it more efficient for me. I mainly set my room up now just to make like YouTube videos, so that's why I got this corner over here. But if you like this updated room tour, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me down below what you would like to see out here. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video.